All right, in Better Food today, we're celebrating Cinco de Mayo a little early. Kara, hit it.
Cinco de Mayo, 6 de junio, 7 de julio, San Fermín. La 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 la. All right, that's our yearly tradition.
My favorite
Thank you
thing.
to Senora from my elementary school and middle school where we learn that every year. All right, Chef Rhadia Hersey is sharing a recipe for fish tacos, and she's making dessert too because all of us love to celebrate Cinco de Mayo.
That's right. So I have fish tacos. You guys like tacos?
Love tacos, and I love fish tacos especially.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a really easy recipe. We're just going to bread our fish.
Okay.
So we have our breading station. So
Flour,
if you just
egg,
want
panko?
Yes, but let's just do a little
Salt on the
salt.
fish. Now, the fish tacos, I love getting them in restaurants. At home, I feel like I stick to chicken because I'm worried it's going to break apart. What kind of fish do you need to get?
So this is just a white fish. It's just sole. You could use tilapia, whatever
These
you
are
want.
firmer, thicker
Yes.
white fish.
Now,
Okay.
do you use sole just for the halibut?
Okay, so we do our breading station. Oh, see, look, you're an expert.
Well,
how to do it?
I can bread. Yeah.
You know how to do it.
Not a chef, but I can bread things. Okay.
And then so we just have some oil, just heating.
What kind of oil?
Just vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you want me to do all of these first, or do you pop
Yeah,
them in
well,
one at a
you
time?
can go ahead and just pop it in
It's
because
okay?
they cook really quickly, like 5 or 6 minutes. So.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So I'll keep breading.
And then while she's doing that,
Okay.
we're just going to make our pico de gallo,
Okay.
and we're just add just a little
you're making
bit.
your own.
That's
Yes.
tomato,
Tomato,
red onion.
little red onion,
Okay.
pinch of salt,
Okay.
and then you want to squeeze?
Sure.
Okay.
Squeeze this right in there?
Yep.
The whole thing.
Yes.
Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo. And then we're going to chop
Junio.
some cilantro because you got to have the cilantro.
Oh, Kara
Cilantro.
loves cilantro.
Oh, good. You know,
do.
there's some people who say it tastes like soap.
Well,
No,
they say it's a genetic thing. You're either
Right.
a taster or not. So if
Right.
you're not a
So let's
taster, you
chop.
love it, and I
Chop
love
this?
it.
Yeah.
Do you want
Yeah,
this?
my sister, she actually...
She can't have it.
She can't, yeah.
No, anything with cilantro and lime, I think, is the greatest thing ever.
Same here.
Okay.
So we have also a sauce to go on top of the
Can I throw this in?
fish. Yes, throw it away. So we're going to just make a chipotle sauce. So we're using a chipotle, which is just a dried jalapeno.
Okay.
And this is just yogurt, so just to kind of make it less fattening. So it's just
Oh,
a plain
yeah.
yogurt. You
Rather
could
than
use
sour cream.
mayonnaise or sour cream.
We
Yeah.
appreciate that you used yogurt.
Yes.
Greek yogurt, I noticed, a lot of
I
times I
heard
don't
you
have
guys don't
sour
like
cream.
mayonnaise.
Yeah, we're not big fans of
No.
mayonnaise.
Okay.
But I noticed if I don't keep a lot of sour cream in the house, but I will have Greek yogurt, and I feel like it's the same. You can use it in Mexican restaurant. You just put it on there, and it's kind of the same.
Right.
Nobody
So
knows.
the chipotle sauce, while Scott is squeezing that, we're just going to add the cilantro to the pico de gallo into the sauce.
Cilantro to the pico de gallo.
Yep.
Did I chop it fine enough?
Oh, it's okay.
That would be a
I
no.
just got smacked down.
It's okay. No, I'm just kidding.
He needs very specific instructions, Rhadia.
Okay. It's fine.
Oh my God, that is funny.
Okay, so then this is just going to fry for just, like I said, 4 or 5 minutes. Oh, so you're doing good. This is looking good.
All right.
So are you a corn or flour tortilla
I
kind of
love
person?
meat.
Corn.
Scott and I
Okay.
have a lot of similar likes and dislikes when it comes to food. Yes, I like corn
Okay.
better, and I feel like it's a little better for you too.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Corn is traditional. So you just take
You fried fish.
fried fish.
Little
We
pico-
have our pico.
Okay.
We have some guac.
A little guac there. Okay.
And then I like a little cabbage
Yeah, which
for
is really good. Me too.
Oh
to
yeah,
make
that
it
does
crunchy.
make it better.
Cheese. If you want to throw some corn in there.
It's so simple.
Very simple.
And
then,
then-
of course, just like a little squeeze
Of lemon.
of lemon, just to brighten it up.
All right.
And then our sauce,
And again, that's yogurt.
yogurt, cilantro, lime, and chipotle.
Okay.
And that's it.
Look at how
That's it.
they're
Let me
coming
hold
out.
that.
Nice.
Let me hold that for you.
Okay, okay.
I'm just flipping
See,
them because
golden brown,
they
it's
look like
beautiful.
they're ready to be flipped, right?
Shall I
Yes.
try it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
And I'm doing this left-handed because my other hand has egg on it, so I'm very proud of myself. I'm able to turn this with my left hand.
You like?
That is so good.
You gonna make it for Cinco de Mayo? You
I
gonna
might.
make it? Okay.
How about dessert? What do we have?
So dessert, that's just flan. It's just sugar, caramel sauce, let's see, eggs, milk, cream. It's not a low-fat dish.
Okay. And flan is traditional.
Very traditional.
Yeah, okay.
And it's easy to make. got to have your chips
Well,
and
can
salsa.
we just talk about your chip bowl?
Isn't
Where
it
did you
cute?
find that? That's so
Amazon.
cool. Amazon. You too can have a chip bowl with
Yes.
the salsa right
and
on top.
taco holders.
Taco
And taco
holders.
holders.
Like,
Yeah.
that elevates the whole Taco Tuesday. If
It
you
does.
just have a chip bowl with some holders, you
It
feel
does.
much better about yourself.
And you get the little bowls. Everyone can like make their own taco how they like it, so picky eaters will be happy.
That's
Thank
what I
you,
like about
Yes.
Taco Night, is that everyone can make their own.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so good. All right, for recipes and cooking videos, visit chefradia.com. You can also follow her on Twitter and Instagram using the handle Chef Rhadia.
Thank you so much.